Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybersecurity TV. This is episode 4 for the unrestricted file upload. In today's episode, we're gonna see how you can bypass the insecure configuration of the web server and upload the malicious file using the double extension. In the previous video, we talked about the blacklisting approach, which is not very safe because you could not blacklist everything and you might miss out on something, and that's what we utilized in the previous example in the previous episode where we had uploaded the backdoor and then we could also upload the htxs file and execute our backdoor. Now in this example, what we have done is our application only allows the gif file. What that means is we cannot upload htxs file, but we still need to upload our backdoor and execute the backdoor and return the information. So we're gonna make a use of the insecure configuration example of the Apache in this one, and this is going to be very helpful because nowadays I know with the DevOps and everything, all the web servers are configured securely and everything, but you may find this example once in a while. So that's why I wanted to show it to you guys. Here you can see this is the Apache page where you have the files with the multiple extension, and if you read this, care should be taken within file. The multiple extension gets associated with both a media types and a handler. This will usually result in the request being handled by the module associated with the handler. For example, .imap extension is mapped to the handler imap file, and .html extension is mapped to the media type text.html. Then the file word.imap.html will be associated with both IMAP file handler and the media type. When it is processed, the IMAP file handler will be used, and so it will be treated as a mode image map file. If you would prefer only the last dot separated part of the file name to be mapped to a particular piece of metadata, which should be the case, then do not use the add star directive. For example, if you wish to have the file foo.html.cgi process as CGI script but not the bar.cgi.html, then instead of using add handler, use the following. Now this is what we're gonna see in our demo today. So let's hop on to our demo and see how it goes. Alright, so this is what we have, an application which only allows the GIF. Let's try upload the PHP. Okay, it says the GIF file. Now let's do one thing. Let's make a copy of this file and try the JPG file and see if it works. Nope, it's not. Alright, so let's do GIF this time. Now if you see in the file extension we have .php.gif. Now with the secure configuration, the file will be uploaded, right? So now file is uploaded, but now let's try to access the file and execute our backdoor. So let's go to the uploads. Alright, so we cannot execute it because the handler does not execute GIF as a PHP because of that configuration that we just saw a little while ago. Now let's make a minor tweak and see if it's gonna work. So let's go to the text editor. So this is the HTTP configuration file, and you can see this is the same file match rule that we have seen in the Apache secure configuration. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this $sign. Now this will allow the double extension file. Let me restart it meanwhile. So this is gonna allow the double extension, and it will also allow the file to be executed in, not with the subsystem at the last extension but the one before that. So let's go to our Firefox, let's go to the whitelist, go to the uploads, and now let's go here. Now we have it. So now, just after we change those and restart the Apache server, all of course, we could able to execute the double extension file. So here's the thing. Not always you would find this sort of misconfiguration, but then also you would want to make sure while you are doing the pen testing that you do not miss out on such opportunity. And also as an DevOps or the operation person, you want to make sure you configure the Apache or Tomcat or any other web server that you use that does not allow double extension file execution, because that's going to be a best practice to avoid such vulnerability. That's pretty much it what I want to discuss in this video. I hope you like my video. If you do, please hit the like button so I know you like the content of my videos, and please drop a suggestion in the comment box like what you would like to hear in the next videos. We'll still continue with our file upload different test cases, so you guys get familiar with how to pen test any file upload feature. Thank you for your time. I'll see you guys next week.